You all okay, yeah? Yeah. Right.
Testing. Is this thing on? Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you doing? Hey, Mick and Liam. Sure to take good care of our friends. The park's better than me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh dear. Wow.
Hooray, hooray, hooray. Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Oh my. Oh my goodness. Wow. Volcano. Wow. Oh my goodness. Octopus. Wow.
Welcome, dancers, welcome. Come. Oh, look at all the bright smiling faces. It's so good to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all dancing so beautifully together. Oh. Now, let's conga!
Oh, funky! Woo! Oh, conga! Way! Wee! Ah, yay! Whoa. Ah! Oh, I want somebody to pull me this.
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I knew somehow that you would finally make it. When you had one crazy round, not with you by my side. Those stars will be on nothing can tear us down.
A little chick up there.
Gosh, what's this lever do? Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long!